Hey everybody, Charlene Davis here. Hope you're having a great day and you enjoyed your Halloween yesterday. Took my kids trick-or-treating last night and that's always super fun. I may only have a year or two left of that, so they're getting to that age where they're going to be done soon. But anyways, enjoy them while you can. And today I wanted to talk about a program that I have been doing for a very short period of time, but I've seen some success very, very quickly. And that program is Cash in the Box. And I don't typically do a lot of promotion videos. Hey, Sandy, how are you? I don't do a lot of online promotional videos, but this promotion has been really great. And it's here for a limited time. So if you have ever wanted to take your business offline, the direct mail industry has been around for a long time and people have been very, very successful with it. And for a limited time right now, you can get in all in for a very small amount of money. So if you can copy flyers, put flyers in an envelope and put a stamp on the envelope, you can make money offline in the direct mail industry. So the industry, the program that I'm talking about is Cash in the Box. And Cash in the Box has just celebrated their 1-year anniversary. And basically what I do on a daily basis is I make copies of these flyers. Okay, super easy. Make copies of the flyers, put them in an envelope with a little cover letter that I created with my picture and my contact information. Put them in an envelope, mail it out. Your address, labels, and everything come already printed. Adhere stamp, and I put them in the mail. And it's really that easy. It does take a little while, sometimes the first couple of weeks, because this is another program that you really have to be consistent with and mail consistently every single day. Just like your online business, you want to work that every single day and be consistent. In this program, you can promote online or offline. Just getting started with this here the last 4 weeks. So I'm mostly promoting offline, but I am going to start promoting online as well. So simply I make copies of a couple different flyers and I put them in an envelope and mail them out. And then what happens when people want to become members, they'll actually, send you a money order to become a member. So here's just a couple money orders that I've received just in the last week or so. So it really, really does work. And the reason the program works is it really doesn't take any special skill to be able to do this. You just simply have to copy your flyers, put them in an envelope, and put them in the mail. Okay, so what I'm talking about, the special that we have on right now is, okay, I'm gonna scroll through the website here. So we have a number of different levels that you can get started at. Let me make myself a little smaller here. So we do have a level for every single budget. So right now, if you come in at the $50 level, you'll get bumped to the $100 level. However, I should back up here a second. Hey, Paul, what's going on? You must have got my message. So right now, you can come in at the $50 level, and it's a double flyer program, or a 2-level flyer. So what happens is you would pay $50 to your sponsor, which would be me, and then $50 to the admin, which is AVL Marketing. And then they will send you, at the $50 level, they'll send you 100 leads on peel and stick labels like you see here. Okay, you'll get 100 of those, but you'll get bumped up to the $100 level. So what that means is now you'll get the $100 flyer and you can earn up to $100. Okay, the next promotion is you can come in at the $100 level, which means you would pay $100 to your sponsor or me and $100 to the admin. Okay, you'll get 200 leads on peel and stick labels, a book of stamps, and you will get bumped up to the $500 level, okay? So now you'll get all the flyers so you can send out and earn up to $100 or $500. You get the $100 flyer, $200, $300, and $500 flyer, okay? If you come in at the $200 level, and I highly encourage you to do this because now you can get all in with this company with only spending at the $200 level. So that means you make a $200 payment to me or your sponsor and a $200 payment to the admin. So a total of $400, but that gets you all in at they don't have it on here. There's a $2,000 level, and you will get the flyers for all of those levels, okay? You'll get the marketing kit that has 2 books of stamps, 300 leads, and 1 flyer for every single level. So they'll send you a flyer in a digital format where you can print off, which is what I do. But you will also get a paper copy in your marketing packet with your stamps and your leads and such, okay? And you just simply have to begin mailing. Now I get the question, and I asked this question when I first got started, is how many mailings should I send to be successful at this? First of all, set yourself a budget. The most expensive piece of this would be stamps. And there are places you can get stamps other than the post office that are a lot less expensive. And set yourself a budget. So if the first week you can only mail 25 flyers, mail 25 flyers. But you want to ramp yourself up where you're at least mailing a minimum of 100 flyers every week, and you can continue to grow. So the money that I have coming in, I will take 20% of that and put that right back in my business to get more stamps, envelopes, things like that. Okay, but consistency is the key. You can also promote this opportunity online. So with the levels, when you come in, yes, you get all the flyers, but there's a sister company to Cash in the Box as well. It's called Cash Inbox. And that sister company is instant payment online. It's typically $125 to get that part of the business. They're completely throwing that in for free, and you can get instant payments of $125 over and over again with the online version. I do have people that I've talked to online that just want to get started with the flyer piece. So I've been able to promote that online as well. So for a limited time, they haven't given us a deadline on that yet, but I know it's only going to probably be a couple of days. You can come in at the 50, 100, or 200 level and get bumped up. And definitely, if you can, take advantage of the $200 level and get all into the program. So for a limited time, Cash in the Box, this program has been great. I've only been doing it since the 1st of October and started mailing maybe since the 2nd week of October. And I have made a couple of income from my, where I just walked to my mailbox, and then I've also made a couple of sales online. So people are looking for something other than just working online. There's a lot of people that do struggle online and are looking for another way to earn income. And this is a very easy way. If you can make a copy of a flyer, put it in an envelope, and send it out. Hey, Marco, how are you? Thanks for popping on, you guys. And I look forward to hearing from you. If you're watching this on the replay, just put #replay. Send me a private message if you want to get more information, or if you're interested in getting started. I can get you a link to my site and get you going right away. So that's Cash in the Box, limited time only. So get started, and let me know if you have any questions. If you're watching this on my YouTube channel, please subscribe, comment, and have yourself a fabulous day. Thanks.